My name is Jessica Gering. I'm a nurse practitioner at the Olson Center. I went to undergraduate at Clarkson College, got my bachelor's of science in nursing, and then went on to get my master's of science in nursing at Clarkson as well. And then I started working inpatient at Nebraska Medicine and eventually went over to Nebraska Medicine Bellevue. I worked labor and delivery, postpartum, a little bit of gyne, and a little bit of NICU care before I started in private practice OBGYN in 2015 and then ended up back here at Nebraska Medicine. Growing up, I always knew I wanted to help people. It didn't take me long to figure out that nursing and healthcare was definitely my drive. Working in the inpatient unit, I loved working at the bedside, but over time I realized I really wanted to see what led the patient to the hospital or what happened after they left the hospital. So that's what drove me to move to an outpatient setting where I can follow the patient throughout their lifespan and see those changes. I love women's health because a woman's body is so complex through all the changes with adolescence and puberty into childbearing and then into menopause. So it's really great to be able to educate patients through those changes and hopefully help make all those transitions really smooth for them. So when I first sit down with a patient, I really like to sit down and understand who you are and your past medical history, your past surgical history, what medications you're taking and why, and then figure out why you're here today. So figure out what brought you in, what symptoms are you having, and then we can work together to build a plan of care. I love working at Nebraska Medicine because here at an academic facility, we use the most up-to-date practices and evidence-based care to take care of our patients. When I'm not working, you can probably find me at home with my husband and my 3 kids. They like to keep me busy with their sporting events and various activities. And then if I do get a little bit of me time, I like going to the gym and exercising and also relaxing with a good book.